Video Fearless fam, I'm talking all about scenes and how to use them with Ecamm Live for your Mac. Video Fearless fam, I'm talking all about Ecamm Live and how to use scenes when you're going live with your Mac. Alright, so this is Amani Channel. This is Video Fearless. I'm the Video Fearless dude who helps you build video muscle, helps you video market with live videos, with recorded videos, all for your audience's learning pleasure. And I help business owners attract leads and clients with video marketing, even folks that are terrified of the camera, if you're looking to build your influence, following, or just have some fun. Keep watching because I got your back. All right, so we're talking about Ecamm Live. Now, Ecamm Live is a great software. I actually have it loaded up here. So the screen that you see me talking on is Ecamm Live here. All right, I'm just have my, basically I have my external webcam is my only source that I'm talking about in this video, but I'm going to show you all sorts of tricks and hacks in this video. All right, talking about scenes specifically. Before I jump into it, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Go ahead and hit that button. This is going to help this channel blow up. All right, go ahead and hit the subscribe button or hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of this video goodness that I'm sharing with you. All right, so let's hop into it. So before we do that, I'm going to turn on my Canon 7D, which is my other camera. And then as I turn it on, it gets sensed by Ecamm Live. Yeah, there we go. See it there? So it's now you see camera EOS, and now that this camera source just got added. All right, so that's how you that's how easy it is. I just turn my camera on, and look, I don't even have a clean shave, but it's all good. All right, so we're talking about scenes. Now you may see this little scenes window here, and I'm going to close it down for you, and then you go scene, new scene, show scene windows, and there we go, it's back at you again. Now if you want to clear out your scenes, you just go ahead and delete it. So we'll delete it here. All right, so now we have no scenes. Well, we have one default scene. I guess it won't let you delete all the scenes because you need to be seeing something. All right, so yeah, you can't delete all your scenes. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about scenes. Now, when I first started using Ecamm, I didn't know the power of scenes. Like, I was just doing everything manually. So I was switching from that camera to this camera, just sort of using my mouse to hover over it, playing videos, you know, doing everything just like I was doing everything manually. All right, and you can do that. It's perfectly fine to do that. It's okay to do that. Like if you just want to show your desktop and you want to, I mean, you can just do that all manually. That's perfectly fine. But there's another way in which you can go from different element to different element, and that is with scenes. And this is the power of scenes. So let's go ahead and hit the plus button. I'm going to add a couple of scenes here, and let's say you are doing your live stream and you're sort of programming your live stream out. And I had a countdown timer somewhere in here too. Well, I'm not going to worry about that. All right, so the first scene you want is going to be this one. All right, I'm going to actually click on it there. All right, so this is the first scene. So this is just me in my home lab. I'm going to change the second scene to the Canon 7 to my 7D. All right, so now it's there. Let's change this third scene. Actually, let's do this. Let's move this here. This scene is going to be the logo reveal. All right, so now we have 3 scenes set up. So this is how you can use scenes. And then for this scene here, let me see if I can add an overlay here. Let me add my lower third here. So I'm gonna add some graphics. Let me see here what my graphics are. Video Fearless. Right here. I think it's under, okay, so we're gonna add my lower third here. Bam, there it is. So now you see the lower third here. You can lose it that way. All right, I'm also gonna add that lower third to this scene as well. All right. Alrighty, all right, looking good. All right, so this is just going to be a quick little tutorial on scenes. So let's say you're going live. So this is your first scene that you want to have set up, right? You have lower third there. Looks all professional. Looks all good, right? So you go live. Your live stream is going. So you're going to start off with this scene. This is my channel. This is Video Fearless, where I help you build video muscle. And then you can hit option 2. And you hit option 3, and it will just go to this next scene. All right. So that's really, in a nutshell, how easy scenes are. So you can basically go from the different elements. You can create as many scenes. I think you can do like 11 scenes that'll actually have I think you can do 10 scenes that have numbers. But you can do much more than that. But you're just going to lose numbers here. And you can basically assign different things, different elements. You can assign different elements to the different scenes. All right. So that's how scenes work. So if you want to make this scene, let's say we want to make this scene our desktop, right? Let's go ahead and hit there. And now that's the desktop. Cancel there. And so now you can just hit Command 4, Command 3, and switch easily between the scenes. We go Command 1. All right. Oops, let me cancel that out. So you go Command 1. So you can see here that I'm just switching easily between the different elements. All right. So that is the power of scenes. I know it's in a nutshell. You just sort of have to dig into it and start learning how to assign your scene. And then you can also name them. So you can name them like Elijah Tech. Open, or VF logo. I'll just call this VF logo. $70. Desktop. All right. Now, this is even more powerful when you marry it with the Stream Deck. Now, I'm not going to get into the Stream Deck right now, but this is a super cool device called the Stream Deck, which works with Ecamm Live. It also works with like a few other programs, but I use it with Ecamm Live because that's what I use it for. It's like controlled. It's a control deck, so it can also trigger your different scenes, and it works really good for that. All right, but I'm not going to get too much into that right now. I just want to give you a quick overview of how to use your scenes. It is super easy. You just sort of have to get into an experiment and sort of play around with it, but it will simplify your ability to switch. All you got to do is remember the control and the number it is, and then you can switch back and forth. It's like magic. All right, that's it. So have fun with that. Amani Channel is Video Fearless, where I help you build video muscle. Remember to hit the subscribe, notification bell, or just thumbs up this video if this helps you with your Ecamm Live. By the way, if you don't know about Ecamm Live, it is for Mac only, but it's an awesome program. I'm gonna leave leave a link in the description if you want to try it. There's a free trial. It's like 15 days or something, and then you can decide whether or not you want to upgrade to, like, I guess the pro version or whatever the versions are that they have for Ecamm Live. But it is great software. I swear you're gonna love it. By the way, I do have a free training set up if you are having challenges with your video marketing, if you don't know where to start, if you don't know what equipment you need, if you just want some help getting your thing started, especially if you're terrified. Go ahead and watch it now. I'll also leave that in the description. This is a real piece.